Harambe tuko na akili. How do you test a leader's character before you vote? That is the question we've been answering. Today we are continuing to answer that question. There are 4 tests. The test that we are considering here is a track record test. In our last video, we defined track record as being who the leader has been over time. Track record is not about what someone has done or what someone has built. It is about who they have been consistently. In other words, track record is a pattern of behavior. How has this individual been behaving consistently over time? Because project listeners can be done by anyone, but character can only be revealed. I want you to consider this information.
Members of Parliament have raised questions over the high-interest repayment for the Talanta Sports City Stadium, saying the cost of the project will reach an estimated 100 billion shillings.
Now, this is a project that has been done by the government. We are getting information that the project is costed at the initial cost is 44 billion, but after the completion of the project, we are going to pay 144.
Was this really value for money for Kenyans? It was done without knowledge of Kenyans. Was it advertised? We were kept out of loop completely.
Now, this is worrying because this is a parliamentary committee that has been entrusted with the obligation of oversighting the national executive, but the members of parliament are telling us that they didn't know that the project is being undertaken. So a project can be done, and we should not confuse visible results with invisible character, because what you see can be used to hide what you don't see. So instead of asking, what has this person done? We need to ask, how have they done it? Have they done it with transparency or secrecy? Is the project being done with accountability or excuses? Is there consistency or contradiction? So track record, that is to say, is not a record of activity. It is a record of character. So if we ignore character as voter, we may be impressed by performance and miss the person behind the performance. So before we listen to promises, before we look at projects, before you follow the noise, study the pattern behavior of the individual. That is the track, and that is how you choose the successful companies. And we have all the information, listeners, about this. The reason why I say we should not listen to them is because we have parliamentary records, we have media report, we have information on social media about these individuals. If you go to YouTube and search corruption scandals in Kenya, you'll have all the information about leaders. So we can get all this information. So the issue is not that the information is not available, but of course, as voters, sometimes we get lost in the noise and we listen too much to the politicians instead of focusing on what is most important. So how do you test a leader's character before you vote? Number 1 is you run the track record test. And there are 3 more tests that we are going to be learning. Harambe! Mama oi!